The former cooking competition finalist gave fans an update on his weight loss journey and shared insights into how he dropped 40 pounds. Gregory Gourdet, 46, revealed to fans that he shed 40 pounds after putting on weight throughout 2020 amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The Top Chef Seasons 12 and 17 finalist opened up about hitting his highest weight amid the stress of 2020 and deciding to whip himself into shape over the summer in a Tuesday, January 11 Instagram post. The chef admitted that he still had some ways to go, but he definitely looked great in the before and after pictures. In the side-by-side photos, the reality star looked really happy to have slimmed down. The final photo in the set was a picture of himself looking satisfied in a green t-shirt while on a hike. Gregory revealed that he'd gone from weighing in at 212 to 172 in a matter of months, and he shared a bit of his fitness regimen. He admitted that after putting on the weight he had to try new methods, after his past weight loss tricks didn't work as well as he wanted. Between gyms closing, a running injury, I have a torn meniscus, and survival eating at work, I gained a good amount of weight in 2020, he captioned his post. At my highest weight ever, I pressed the health reset button in July. But everything that had worked in the past, including yoga and intermittent fasting, just wasn't working. The chef revealed that power walking, and then running, on a treadmill, fasting for 24 hours at a time, and going keto were integral to him dropping all the weight. Spent hours diving deeper into the health benefits of fasting and keto, he wrote, before thanking his yoga instructor, physical therapist, masseuse, personal trainer, hydrotherapist, and his go-to for information about keto. Related gallery. Stars showing off weight loss in sexy leather looks. Before wrapping up his post, Gregory reminded followers that there's much more to health than just weight, and it's important to not just measure progress with the numbers on a scale. Thick or thin, always love yourself. Live in whatever body you feel comfortable in and don't compare yourself to people on the internet. We all come in different shapes and sizes and can all do different things in our bodies, he wrote. Gregory closed his update by saying he still had a ways to go, but he was definitely looking forward to opening his new restaurant Con. He said he needed to be able to do the heavy lifting needed to get an eatery ready for some hungry customers.